Today we're going to go and buy a firework. There's only one place locally that does this. So we went for Whistle in the Wind. I just saw a demonstration video of this and it is bloody crazy. I think we've gone in well over our heads, but I'm well excited. Even comes with its own guide. We've been waiting for nightfall. We've got a secret location that we're going to let this off. I'm super excited. Are you excited?
Yes. So excited. Run, Malcolm! Oh god, I'm so sorry. Oh god. I'm so sorry, everyone. Oh my god.
Of course we're good citizens and we did return and clean up after ourselves.